How to play a video backward in Wondershare Filmora. Hello people! Welcome to the first video tutorial on video editing. In this video, I'll show you how to play a video backward using Wondershare Filmora. First, open Filmora. Personally, I consider this video editing software to be one of the best and fastest, and it doesn't require high hardware specifications. When Filmora launches, create a new project. Then click on the button to add a video to the project. Choose your video clip and click Open. Now we've added the video to the media folder and we need to add it to the timeline. Drag the video onto the timeline. Here you can choose the resolution and frame rate of the video. Of course, it's advisable to have the highest resolution and a higher frame rate per second. The video has been added and is displayed in the preview section. Now double-click on the video on the timeline. This will open options to adjust the parameters of the video. Click on the Speed tab. There you'll notice the reverse speed option, which allows you to play the video backward. Check this box. This option is now applied to the video. Now you can play the video, and it will go backward. To notice the difference, I'll re-add the same video to the timeline in front of what we just edited. And that's it! Now all that's left is to export the video. Follow our channel for more Filmora tutorials.